Hello, I'm going to start drawing our assets in this episode. I'm not sure if I'll actually publish this recording because I don't know, it might take a little long, maybe it might be boring. I might fast forward it, maybe. Now first, I think of the concept we are going to follow a little, and I kind of decided to make our main character kind of like a ninja who throws ninja stars. So it will basically throw ninja stars to enemies, and it will be a platformer. I'm going to do some animations. I will make the running animation right now, and maybe I might try to add a flip animation for jumping, because we are a ninja, we got to have a flip animation, and we also need a throwing animation, so an idle animation too. That's 4. I will actually use the flip animation both for dodging, rolling on the ground, and jumping. So yeah, we will use 4 animations. This is generally the sprite size I use for player characters, 16 by 64. So yeah, or is it? It's probably not. Yeah, I use half the height of this. 32. Yeah, that's better. Now, I'm terrible at pixel art and art in general, so whatever, I'm going to try my best. I need some music here. Wait, sorry. Okay. So yeah, this is our idle animation. Now it's time for the running animation.
Unfit to reside for the Scarlet Mount. He's standing through town, he's drunker down and loud. I know some boys that I once called family, mounted high in the year of 85. Major Stewart went down and he left his cows back and forth at McLeod when the news circled round that the Yankee had enough. And there's rustlers on the prow and a Senate boy needs a sport, so trading her out in the Rocky Mountain Ranger, riding o'er the plains, serve all the Western cavalry. There's none any stranger, Rocky Mountain Ranger, well equipped for danger, mounted high in the year.
I think we can just do the running animation with 2 frames, really. This looks okay, I think. I don't know. It kind of works for me. Now, we have the idle animation. the running animation, we need a flip, front flip, and throwing animation. That's all we need for our main character for now. Now, go to your projects folder again, which is for me right here. Now, we are going to save that ASA, I think it stands for a sprite file, which will allow us to edit our animations easier. I will actually create a folder here called dev. We will only need this ASA file while we are still in the development phase of our game. Later we will just delete that folder called div, cause it's to just edit our sprite easier at the future, cause once we export this animation, it will be a long PNG image, just frames after each other, and it will be harder to add frames and stuff. This way we can just open it in a sprite and see the frames and add new frames stuff, it will be easier for us to edit this sprite in the future. So let's name it Ninja, and we can now export it. We also want JSON data, we use it for creating animations. So these are fine, but we won't want them in the dev folder. We want to create a folder called assets, and inside we will make an images folder and a JSON folder. So PNG goes to image and JSON goes to JSON. So they are here, as you can see. Now we will load those files in our preloader. So let's head to our projects folder and open your text editor there and open your preloader, and in the preload section we will load an atlas, which is load ATL if you are using my snippets. We will use atlas for when we both have an image and a JSON. Generally when we are going to create an animation for our sprite. So first parameter is the name, how you're gonna call this, and we will call it Ninja. Next one is the locus of the image file. As I said, we are going to use both an image and a JSON file for our atlas. JSON and Ninja ninja.json. Yep. Now after this, after loading this, we need to create our animation. I also have a snippet for that. It's called anims, I believe. Yeah. K will be actually we will create 4 animations here. Let's say ninja idle, frame rate of, I don't know, 2, and we are going to repeat this -1. That means it will constantly repeat it. It will be on a loop. And for frames, we use curly brackets, and key is the name of the atlas, which is ninja, and then frame, I believe, which is the name of the frame, which we are going to change actually. I will just call it 0 for now, and then just paste it again, and 1. Our first 2 frames will be our idle animation. Now I want to go to the ninja JSON file, and you see these are the frame names which our animation is taken inside the curly brackets as frame. Now I want to name them something more simple, so yeah, like I'm just going to make them numbers. Oh. Ooh. I made an oopsie there, I think. Whatever. Sorry. Is all of them? How did I did it really? Look, I just came here, delete all that, name it 0. So I need to do it in here, huh? Okay. Actually, I can just then excuse me here. So I just wait. I can do it. Will this work? No. Okay, wait. I found it. From here, I'm going to do. Yeah. Okay, finally. Okay. Whew. Yeah, we miss so fast, you know. Yeah. No, we missed one here. Yeah. No. Okay. Oh. we missed some more here, as you can see. which we will fix quickly. Okay, that's it with our JSON file. Now we have the idle animation. Actually, we can test this, but we are going to need another scene to test it, because actually we can test it on preloader. Yeah, we don't need another scene for now. Just add a sprite to, I don't know, 0, 0. This is the location X and Y, and this is the name of the atlas, which is Ninja, and we will make it play an animation. And what's that animation called? It's Ninja Idle. And I want to make it a little bigger so we can see it. And we need to change our background color so we can see it, because our ninja is black. So go to main, and here background color, I think. Let me quickly check it. Where? Here. Background color, yeah. Let's make it white. Do I need hashtag? Yes, of course. And let's test our game quickly. Yeah, you can see our ninja there, but it's still way too small. So I'm gonna take it to center. Actually, I can use this, I think, to center it in the canvas. Of course, I need to give it this will be this dot ninja, so we can refer to its width and height here. This is just to center it, nothing special or fancy. Dot ninja dot width. Okay, let's remove this. Really. Oh. Whatever. Scale. Scale is set scale is what I meant. Oh, we. Yeah, whatever. Okay. But it's not visible. Okay, let's change this back to 0, to where we started, and hopefully we can see it this time. Okay, 100 by 100. Yeah, you can see this is our idle animation now. Similarly, I am going to add our other 3 animations, which are, let's copy this. Next one will be Ninja Run, which will use 0 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay. It uses frames 2 and 3. Let's check it. we need it to be a little faster, like 6 maybe. Maybe a little more. Let's try 8. Was 6 better? Yeah, 6 was definitely better. Yep, that's fine, I think. It's not much running, it's more like walking, but whatever. Next we need flip. Probably something like 4. Now this is 4 because we are starting from 0 in our JSON file. You can name them starting with 1 if you like to. Just you can name your frames whatever you want, it doesn't matter. From 4 to yeah, this is a little wait. Okay, we start with 4 and then 5, and I will copy this. Oh, wait. I wish I knew how to use Vim. Not pasting the commas right now. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. I think I'm at 8 now. I don't even know how many frames I need for this animation, whatever. Can I? Okay. 4, 5, until 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we go back to 4, I think, to this, yeah, and then to 0. We make this 0. We don't need these two, and we won't actually repeat this, but let's keep it on repeat right now to see how it looks. We need it to be faster. Pretty good. We can make it a little more faster actually. Yeah. Maybe a little slower. Yeah, this looks much better. Yeah, and this actually turned out to be kinda nice, but the headband there doesn't move as it should be moving, I think. Like it should go upwards, right, as he's flipping, so like it will be straight here, and here we can't go further there, so let's just keep it straight. Let's keep it, and then here I want to make it like this, and here maybe it will even start folding but actually like we're moving this way, so maybe it I'm not sure really. And okay, let's try it this way this time. Oh yeah, that's a hassle. It just we didn't need to re-export the JSON file, we just needed to re-export the image, because now JSON file just tells us the widths and heights and locations of each frame on let me show you on this image file which is yeah, just takes this image file and tells which frame is where, so you don't need to re-export your JSON file if you didn't remove or add any extra frames. Just if you worked on the existing frames, just export the image file, else you'll have to rename this again. I will be quick this time. What? I'm just, oh, it's on numlock, sorry. Yep, here we go again. If I search it like that, I think. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there are so many of these. Either way, but I can actually do. Yeah. Damn. I need to get better at using them. I really do. Wait. Okay, I come here. I delete. Yeah, it's that simple, you see. Fairly simple. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, 12, I think that's it, 13, yeah, do I have 14 frames done? Yes, I do, okay. Now does it look better? Yeah, I think the headband definitely looks a lot more realistic right now. Okay, flip animation is fine. Now throwing animation. Let's do this. Do that. Here, oh, by the way, let's change this back to 0. We won't repeat this, it will just, yeah, won't replay. Just like this throw animation, but we will keep it on repeat to test first. Throw, which will use 1, 11, 12, 13, and 1. 0, I mean. 0. 0, 11, 12, 0, 11, 12, and 0 again. but wait, 0, 11, 12, and we have another one, we have 13, and after this we have 0 again. Yeah, now it should be fine. Throw. Yeah, I think it looks pretty fine. We can now change this back to 0 as well. Should I keep on and create tile set and ninja stars? They won't probably take much time. I will actually make them off camera, like we don't have any animations for them. This will probably take place indoors. I will just make a simple brick tiles for the background that will just fill up there. Then I'll just make some simple stone blocks for now, some moving platforms maybe. And yeah, we will start with those. Next episode we are going to add some maps, single map probably, and we might also get into touch controls on the next episode. I'm not sure about that. Well, that's about it. See you here.